How to clean up your credit report in 90 days without a lawyer. If this sounds like what you want to do, stick around to the end of this video as we get started on the journey to clean up your credit report as I'm cleaning up mine. Now this video is a little long, but stick around to learn some great ideas to clean up your credit. Now, credit is important. It is so important that it could literally cost you thousands of dollars each year just because you don't know how to get and use credit. It's like playing Monopoly and not knowing you can buy property, houses, and hotels. All you do is go around the board collecting your $200 every time and paying rent to everybody else until you go broke. You must know how to play the game in order to even have a chance. Now, if you're watching this video, I bet you have some bad items on your credit report, things that you have no idea how to remove, or even if they can be removed. Well, the answer is inaccurate, misleading, and incorrect information can be removed, and it is an easy process to have it removed. Now, on this video and others, we will tell you several methods to get items removed from your credit report, and we will go over just how to pull your credit report from all three bureaus as a bonus. First off, you must know what's on your credit report, and that is done by going to annualcreditreport.com. I'll stick a link down in the description below. Here you can get a free copy of your report once each year. Now, during COVID, they are allowing it weekly. Filling out the information and getting a copy of all three reports is easy. Now, once you have them, you want to sit down one evening and look at them. There's a lot of information on each. Now, for me, it equated to about 50 plus pages on each report. Now, a shorter way to get the condensed version is to go to Experian.com and creditkarma.com. Again, I'll put links in the description below. Sign up and you can easily see exactly what is on your report in a very short, condensed, sweet format. Now, you do want to print and mark any late payments, any accounts that are not yours, and collections that you need removed, and that is your goal, to get them removed as it is costing you money. Now, it goes without saying, but if you keep doing what you have always done, you will always get what you have always gotten. In other words, you need to hit that subscribe and notification bell, as I'm giving out some great information 2 or 3 times each week just for you. And this is to teach you how to repair your credit and how to keep it looking great. Now, once you have marked each derogatory item, go through and write down each one with the addresses and account number of the collection agency and any pertaining information that you see may be wrong. Don't remember doing business with that company? The balance is too high. You made your payments back in 2019. Whatever. You want to write it down. Now, the first thing we want to verify is the addresses they have on file for you. If it is old, we want to write the credit bureaus and let them know that this is not your address. Here is your current address, and they need to remove 123 Old Street from your report. You don't need any form letters. And in fact, form letters that you find online are not a good option, as everybody has used them and the credit bureaus know them. They know when you are just using a form letter, and that is not a good thing. Type up your letter with your information, name, address, last 4 of your social on the upper left side. Then write, "Dear Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion," whatever the letter is going to. "My address is wrong on my credit file. I am not sure how you have the address of 123 XYZ Street, but I don't live there. I have included a copy of my light bill, my water bill, insurance, whatever you have an address on it. Please remove the addresses below, as I am not there." Now, here's the trick. You don't care if an address is very old. You just want to remove the last several addresses that may be associated with a collection account. These are the addresses you want removed for the next step. Now, after you write and mail all 3 letters to the credit bureaus, you're going to next write to the collection companies, not the original creditors on your report. And you're going to ask them to send you information with your signature saying that you owe what they say, as well as any documentations of the amount owed. The letter format needs to be the same as above, and I'll show you on the screen. Your name and address on the top left, name of the collection company, and any pertinent information on the credit report. I am putting a reference letter on the screen just for you to easily see the format. Dear sir, I am not sure why you're on my credit report. Please send me something with my signature and an explanation of what I owe. Thanks, and your name. Do not sign this paper. 9 out of 10 times they will not reply. And this is a good thing. And what we do next is simple. Mark your calendar, and 35 days after you send it, you're going to send them a second letter. Dear sir, on X date, I sent you a request for information, and I have not received a reply. Please send me the information requested on this letter. Thanks, and include a copy of the first letter. Now, 35 days after this letter comes the kill stroke. You're done asking. You need to find the agent of record for the collection company. You will send the third letter to the address on your credit file and the agent of record. Dear sir, I sent a letter requesting information on X date and you did not reply. Again, I sent a second letter on X date and you still did not reply. As per the Fair Debt Collections Practices Act and Fair Credit Reporting Act, you have to reply within 30 days and you have failed to do so. If the item is not removed from my credit report and marked with a 0 balance, I will file the enclosed small claims paperwork. How do you get this paperwork? And more information on this letter will be forthcoming, as this process will take 60 days to get to this point. So please watch for more videos on this subject. Now to recap, when you finish this video, you need to make sure you are subscribed and ring the notification bell. Write in the comments, I will follow, and then get your credit report from all 3 agencies. Write to them to remove any outdated addresses on file, and write to any collection companies requesting information about what you have on file. Guys, much more information is to follow. Make sure to follow along as we get to it. Till next time, I'm out.